Do you feel pain here after eating or when you are hungry? It may not be ordinary stomach pain. Let me explain. Ulcer basically means a wound or a sore in the lining of the stomach or intestine. It's just like having a wound on your skin. Imagine pouring pepper on an open wound. That is exactly how ulcer pain can feel. We have stomach ulcer, which is called gastric ulcer. We have intestinal ulcer, which is called duodenal ulcer, depending on where it is located. One person can even have both. For stomach ulcer, the pain gets worse after eating. For intestinal ulcer, the pain gets worse when you are hungry and you feel relief after eating, but it comes back. Most of the ulcers are caused by a particular bacteria called Helicobacter pylori. Others are caused by long-term use of painkiller like diclofenac or ibuprofen. What are the symptoms of ulcer? One common symptom of ulcer is heartburn. Heartburn means burning sensation around the chest area. It doesn't mean your heart is burning. It occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Other symptoms mean bloating, which means feeling that you are full even when you haven't eaten much. General stomach discomfort. Pain in the upper mid part of the abdomen. Nausea, a feeling that you want to vomit, and vomiting. When you notice any of these symptoms, go to the hospital for proper checkup. But before then, there are things you can do to reduce your symptoms. Drink water regularly. Eat small amounts of food at a time and eat slowly. Do not lie down immediately after eating. Avoid spicy food and reduce alcohol intake. Sleep on the left side of your body when you sleep. When you sleep, use a pillow to raise your head up. Manage your stress. If after all of this, the symptoms continue, go to the hospital and get properly checked. One of the tests we do in the hospital for ulcer is called Helicobacter pylori test. You can use blood sample or stool sample, but stool sample is better for detecting of active infection. Do not ignore persistent stomach pain. Go to the hospital and get tested. Bye.